we're going to move over to what is arguably the best, most awesomest flashing, my personal favorite.
Michael's favorite flashing in the entire world is the humble step flashing.
No.
All right, okay, but it starts that way.
It starts as a humble step flashing, but it's so much more than that.
It starts that way. But step flashing is also important too.
Absolutely. So this tool, has everybody seen this tool before?
Okay, so
I don't know if we have these.
This is actually a standing seam roof tool. It is a pocket pan former. So basically, if you're trying to do metal origami, you're trying to close up a corner without cutting, these things go down like fingers over top of this metal, and basically we fold a corner. You can do it with needle nose pliers. There are other specific round nose pliers for doing the exact same thing.
Nice.
And it's nothing new. This stuff's been around for a long time. We're just starting to pick up on it in the residential industry more and more and more. So hopefully you guys were paying attention there. But essentially, I just folded that over to create that kick without cutting, snipping, or having to add any tape. I can either crush this in my brake, I can bring it down on the ground, I can flatten it out. And then if you're a fan of the siding guy, if you like him, if you're a friend of yours, you can cut that sharp corner off. Now, usually I am the person installing the siding, so I like to clean all this stuff up. But this is probably the most critical and cheapest flashing. I don't know if it's definitely my favorite, but it is very critical, and it's
my favorite because it saves houses from being destroyed, right? That roof to sidewalk connection, we've seen it so many times in remodeling where waters run down that house. It's taking the mortar out of the brick. Maybe someone was silly and they put a window below it as well, right? And so waters hit the top of the window. And that whole section of wall, it's $50,000 of repair work for, what, a 15 cent?
Including my time, we're about $1.25.
These are valley flashings, if I recall?
We could do a valley flashing.
Okay.
We could do a simple W flashing, I think.
So we've talked about this in the past, but what is the purpose? Like, why not just do a V? Like, why not just make a soft step type looking flashing?
Well,
to protect the valley.
You can.
It
would kind of work. So the W does one major thing. And the major thing that it does is anytime you've got water running down a steep slope, if it hits that valley, if there's nothing to interrupt it, it wants to keep going. So if we put this W, which I'm going to bend here while I'm talking instead of just talking, if we put this W in place, it interrupts that flow of water. It stops the water, it breaks it up, and it starts to funnel it down the valley. The other little thing it does, beyond just making this functional, is it also stiffens up your flashing, and you're more likely to get it in place without having all kinds of smiley faces straight up your valley.
So this is our W.
This is a W flashing.
Water's going to come down. It's going to hit the W. It's a disruptor.
Essentially.
It's not going to zip up the other side, and then it's going to flow down. But
it reminds me of you.
So we've got we're going to do a second kind of valley flashing here as our last flashing.
This is relatively new to the industry.
This is the double W, which probably needs a better name than double W. So Aaron, are we double the disruption, or is there a secondary purpose for these other Ws?
The other Ws serve a great secondary purpose. So you're going to find that we're going to start using this more often with composite roofs. You're going to see this becoming a standard detail. So a lot of the synthetic slates that are out there and available right now, this will hide all the cut edges.
Cut edge, yeah.
It'll hide all the cut edges. So that's the main purpose of it. Is it hides the cut edges. It slows water coming down those steep slopes, and it still provides you with a clean open valley and a nice stiff flashing that you can install without a bunch of wrinkles.